Hi everyone, welcome to Simple Forex Trader, and today we're giving you a weekly update on the Euro USD pair. So we're looking at the 4-hour charts I can see here. And to do that, we just need to plot a 1, 2, 3 using the WaveCal up here, the top right hand corner. So we find the highest point. In this case, this is where the highest point is. And then we find the lowest point. So we pick this one just right after the below the 200. And the lowest point is here, and the tracement is here. And bingo, you get yourself a nice setup there. So point number 1 is here, point number 2 is there, and point number 3 is the retracement up to here. And then once you've got that, you got yourself a nice retracement area in this area here, and your stop loss is above the point 1 area here. So all you need to do is plot your 1, 2, 3, and bingo tells you where you actually enter the trade. Down here is your exit target here. So you got the nice exit target here in this area here for this pair. So you can target the first three just by plotting the 1, 2, 3 wave calculator. So your first your retracement, you enter at a retracement at around the 62% or even the 79 at 1.2046 all the way down to the 38% retracement at 1.1938. And then your first target will be, if you enter at 79, your first target would be 1.1670, which is about 377 pips. Next one is 430 pips, and the third one is 484 pips. So there you go. There's your actual exit target. You got 3 exit target you can actually looking forward to, and your stop loss is above here. All you need to do is put a stop loss there, or the back of stop loss. When it hits that area, you're going to get stopped, and your entry is in this area here. So I need to do plot the 1, 2, 3 using this wave calculator. So I'm going to show that to you again one more time. So find the highest point, and then you plot a 1 there. Lowest point here, and you see how it retraces. It went back at least 50% or so. I plot that there. And bingo, there's your entry area. So you enter in this area just below the 200. Your first entry, if you want to enter, re-enter this trade, it's 79%, which is at 1.2046 all the way down to 38% at 1.1939. Then your exit will be down here. Your exit will be the first 3 exit here. You can enter. You can exit your trade at this area here. So I hope you enjoyed today weekly update on the Euro USD pair. See you back next time. Bye for now.